Still have a little bit of room. If we did go from current price to that level, that would be about another 9.5% lower. So again, I don't think we've bottomed by any means, but we did touch a really important liquidity area. You can also see that we took out this zone here from April of 24. And again, there were buyers hanging in there. There were some stop losses in there, definitely. And then looking at that hourly chart here, you can see the big move down, gap to that trend line, gap to the level. 482.75 was the level, touched that level and found some support, rallied up, came back and tagged that level, just barely taking out the pre-market lows. And then look at that RSI, big divergence on the RSI. Buyers came in and drove it really, really high. Ended up going all the way up into the 523 area and then pulled back middle of the range, continued to show some strength here in the after hours. So is this a short-term bottom? These big gap downs and rejections and rallies out usually mean that there is some buyers, at least enough to support it for now. Again, look how low we were on the RSI. That was a 12, 14 range here on the hourly chart. Very, very rarely goes into that zone. And then you can see buyers coming in. So again, short-term bullish coming off of the much lower low that we ended up getting early in the session. In terms of levels for now, 509.77 to the next level, 513.27 takes you to the middle of this consolidation. But the more important level would be that kind of 517.12 area. You can see the wick low, the wick high. This is the more important zone, 517 if 509 breaks.